Have you ever wondered what would happen if you found yourself stranded on a deserted island with nothing to drink but the vast, tempting ocean water? It's a scenario that movies and adventure stories often portray, but have you ever asked yourself, can you drink ocean water? Picture this. You are marooned on a sun-kissed tropical island, waves crashing against the shore, and you're feeling parched. The glistening blue ocean stretches as far as the eye can see, tantalizingly close. But is it a lifesaver or a cruel mirage? Could drinking the ocean water be a ticket to survival or a one-way trip to disaster? Let's start with the basics. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet and is home to a staggering variety of marine life. But did you know that it's also a vast reservoir of salt water? Yes, you heard that right. The ocean water is salty. But why is that? What gives the ocean its distinctive salinity? Over millions of years, the ocean has been shaped by a symphony of natural forces. Volcanic activity and the erosion of rocks on land have contributed to the accumulation of dissolved salts and minerals in the water. The most abundant of these minerals are sodium and chloride ions, which form the familiar salt we know as sodium chloride. Now, imagine taking a sip from this glass of ocean water. As it touches your lips, you immediately notice the saltiness. But here's the catch. That deliciously refreshing taste is deceiving. In fact, it can have dire consequences for your health. When you drink seawater, the high salt concentration pulls water from your cells, leaving you even more dehydrated. It's like a cruel trick played by the ocean, making you thirstier than before. Not only that, but the excess salt can wreak havoc on your body's delicate balance of electrolytes. These essential minerals, like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, help regulate nerve and muscle function. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to muscle cramps, confusion, and even seizures. But wait, there's more. Ocean water is not only salty, but it can also be teeming with bacteria, viruses, and pollutants. Drinking contaminated water can lead to severe gastrointestinal issues, leaving you feeling like you're riding a never-ending roller coaster of vomiting and diarrhea. So, the risks associated with drinking ocean water are no joke. But you might be wondering, is there any hope? Can we ever quench our thirst with the ocean's waters? Well, my friends, there is a glimmer of hope in the form of a process called desalination. Desalination is the incredible technology that can turn salt water into fresh water, making it safe and drinkable. But it's a complex process that involves removing the salt and impurities from the water. There are different methods of desalination, such as distillation and reverse osmosis. In distillation, heat is used to evaporate the water, leaving the salt behind and then condensing the vapors back into liquid form. Reverse osmosis, on the other hand, uses a membrane to filter out the salt molecules, allowing only pure water to pass through. If you ever find yourself stranded at sea or in a survival scenario where fresh water is scarce, what can you do? Well, there are survival techniques that can help. One method is solar stills, which uses the sun's heat to evaporate seawater and collect the condensed vapors as fresh water. Another technique involves building a simple sand filtration system to remove some of the impurities from the water. These methods may not provide a perfect solution, but they can offer a lifeline in desperate situations. Remember, it's crucial to consult experts and resources to ensure you're using the most effective and safe methods in survival scenarios. In conclusion, while the ocean may seem like an endless source of water, drinking its salty waves can have severe consequences for your health. However, through desalination and innovative survival techniques, we can find ways to turn the ocean's water into a life-saving resource. So, my fellow adventurers, let's appreciate the beauty of the ocean from afar, take care of our planet's precious freshwater sources, and always have a reliable source of drinking water within reach. Remember, stay hydrated, stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring.